Good day everyone. I am the president of the SM Employees Welfare Union, operating in SM Supermalls. Our union was established in 2026 to protect the rights and welfare of employees in the retail industry. Our vision is to create a workplace where employees are respected, valued, and given the equal opportunities. Our mission is to promote fair wages, safe working conditions, and strong cooperation between workers and management. Our union logo includes the name SM Employees Welfare Union and the year of estimate 2026. The color blue represents unity and trust, red symbolizes courage to stand the workers' right. White represents fairness and transparency. The handshake symbols represent unity and solidarity among employees. One major issue we are advocating against is contractualization. Many workers are hired temporarily without job security and full benefits. This creates uncertainty for employees and their families. As union members, we must stand together and promote fair employment practices. Through unity, cooperation, and collective action, we can protect workers.